Turning your engine 1K7. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Altimeter look nice, no broken. On this side everything's good, as you can see. Starter looking nice. As well on the gearbox, everything's good. And on this side engines look nice. As well on the windows, all windows in good conditions, no water inside. On the top, all connectors and injectors looking good, no any damage. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, compressor no broken. And turning your engine 1K7.